Variables in Python are essential for storing data. They can hold various data types like integers, strings, and lists. Naming conventions are crucial for readability and maintenance. Use descriptive names, start with a letter or underscore, and avoid reserved words. Consistent naming improves code clarity and collaboration. Variables are fundamental in Python, acting as containers for data values. They enable storage, manipulation, and retrieval of information within code. Grasping their functionality is crucial for crafting efficient Python programs. A variable in Python is a symbolic name that refers to an object or value stored in memory. Created through assignment using the syntax, variable name equals value. Python's dynamic typing allows variable types to change during execution, enhancing flexibility and ease of use. Variable assignment in Python is straightforward. For example, x equals 10 assigns an integer, name equals Alice assigns a string, price equals 19.99 assigns a float, and is active equals true assigns a boolean. Python's dynamic typing automatically determines the data type, enhancing accessibility for beginners. Python's dynamic typing allows variables to change types effortlessly. Initially, x is assigned an integer value of 5. Later, x is reassigned to the string 5. This flexibility means Python doesn't require explicit type declarations, enabling seamless transitions between data types. Python enforces specific rules for naming variables to ensure code consistency and prevent conflicts with language keywords. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore, followed by letters, digits, or underscores. They are case-sensitive, meaning age, and age are distinct. Avoid using reserved keywords like if, for, or class. Variable names in Python must start with a letter or underscore, not a digit. They can include letters, digits, and underscores, but no spaces or special characters. Python is case-sensitive, so age, and age are distinct. Avoid using reserved keywords like if, for, or class as variable names. Illegal variable names include to, myvar, my-var, myvar, for, and my@var, due to starting with a number containing hyphens, spaces, keywords, or special characters. Legal names like my underscore var, underscore myvar, var2, myvar, and my underscore var2 follow Python's rules, using underscores, starting with letters or underscores, and avoiding special characters. Python's naming conventions enhance code readability and maintainability. PEP 8 recommends using snake underscore case for variables and functions, ensuring consistency. Camel case is prevalent in Java and JavaScript, while Pascal case is reserved for Python class names. Adhering to these styles helps create a uniform code base, facilitating collaboration and reducing errors. Python naming styles enhance code readability. Snake case, like my underscore variable name, is PEP 8's choice for variables and functions. Camel case, my variable name, is prevalent in Java and JavaScript. Pascal case, my variable name, is reserved for Python class names, ensuring clarity and consistency in code structure. PEP 8 recommends using snake underscore case for variables and functions, like user underscore age or calculate total parenthesis. For class names, Pascal case is preferred, such as customer account or data processor. Constants should be in all caps with underscores, like max size or PI value. Consistency across your code base ensures professional quality and enhances readability. Naming conventions enhance readability by making code intuitive, reducing cognitive load. They improve collaboration, ensuring everyone adheres to the same standards. Consistency prevents errors, minimizes naming conflicts, and cuts debugging time. As the Zen of Python states, readability counts. Let's delve into practical examples of working with variables in Python. We'll explore real-world applications, demonstrating how to efficiently assign and swap variables. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding of variable manipulation, enhancing your coding skills, and making your code more concise and readable. Python allows multiple assignments in a single line, enhancing code conciseness. For example, A, B equals 5, 10, assigns 5 to A and 10 to B. Swapping variables is also simplified. A, B equals B. A swaps their values without a temporary variable, making the code more efficient and readable. Type checking in Python is done using type, which reveals a variable's data type. For conversions, type casting functions like int, float, str, and bool are used. For example, converting 123 to an integer or a float is straightforward, with int 123 and float 123. In Python, variable scope determines where a variable can be accessed. Local variables, like local var in a function, are confined to that function. Attempting to access them outside results in an error. Conversely, global variables, such as global var, are accessible throughout the program, both inside and outside functions. In real-world Python projects, always initialize variables before use to prevent unexpected errors. Use descriptive names for clarity and maintainability. Consistently follow naming conventions to enhance code readability. Avoid using global variables excessively, as they can lead to complex dependencies and bugs. These practices, derived from industry standards, ensure robust and efficient code. Avoid single-letter variables except in loops or math contexts. Use descriptive names like count instead of c. Never shadow built-ins like list or str to prevent confusion. Use underscore prefixes for internal variables. Avoid cryptic abbreviations. Opt for clear names like user underscore comment underscore count. Utilize the PEP 8 style guide at pep8.org for writing clean, Pythonic code. Practice in environments like Python's interactive shell, idle, Jupyter notebooks, or integrated development environments, such as PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. Enhance your skills with tutorials and exercises on RealPython, W3 Schools, Codecademy, and Python's official documentation. Variables are the core of Python programming, essential for data storage and manipulation. Adhering to naming conventions and PEP 8 ensures clean, maintainable code. Consistent practice is key. Start coding by creating variables for your name, age, and hobby, and print them. Begin your Python journey with Hello Variables.